Hello, everyone. Welcome to Perfect English Channel, where learning English is simple, enjoyable, and practical. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mark. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's episode is extra exciting because we're talking about the biggest football tournament in the world, the 2026 FIFA World Cup.
Whether you're a football fan or simply want to improve your English, you're in the right place.
So relax, practice your listening skills, and let's begin. Part 1. Why is the World Cup so special?
Lily, why do you think the World Cup is so popular?
Because it brings together countries from all over the world. Every 4 years, millions of fans celebrate the beautiful game together.
I agree. It's more than just football. It's about culture, friendship, passion, and unforgettable memories.
Exactly. People wear their national team's jerseys, wave flags, sing songs, and celebrate every goal.
Some fans even travel thousands of miles just to watch one match.
That's true dedication. Part 2. Favorite teams.
Do you have a favorite national team?
I enjoy watching many different teams because every country has its own playing style. Some teams play very fast. Others are excellent at passing. Some focus on defense.
That's what makes football so exciting.
Every match is different. Anything can happen.
Part 3. Star Players. Every World Cup introduces amazing new players.
Yes. Some become international stars overnight.
Great football players aren't just talented. They work hard every single day.
Exactly. Discipline, teamwork, confidence, and determination are just as important as skill. Part 4. Football vocabulary. Let's teach everyone some useful football words.
Great.
Goal.
When the ball crosses the goal line into the net.
Goalkeeper.
The player who protects the goal.
Penalty.
A special kick awarded after certain fouls.
Referee.
The official who enforces the rules.
Stadium.
A large venue where football matches are played.
Captain.
The leader of the team on the field. Part 5. Learning English through football.
Football can actually help people learn English.
Absolutely. Watching interviews, listening to commentators, and reading football news all improve vocabulary.
Even listening to fans talking after a match is great English practice.
Learning becomes much easier when you're enjoying the topic. Part 6. Fun questions.
If you could attend one World Cup match, which would you choose?
Definitely the final. The atmosphere would be unforgettable. What about you?
I'd love to watch a classic rivalry match. The excitement would be incredible from start to finish.
Part 7. Final thoughts. The World Cup teaches us many lessons. Teamwork, respect, perseverance, friendship.
And remember, learning English is just like playing football. Practice every day, learn from mistakes, and never give up.
Little improvements every day lead to big success.
That's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for learning English with us on Perfect English Channel.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, which country are you cheering for in the 2026 World Cup and why?
Keep practicing, keep listening, keep speaking English every day.
We'll see you in our next English conversation. Thank you for watching Perfect English Channel. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.